Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Hello friends and welcome to another video of Technical Charging. In this video I'm going to do the unboxing of Realme 2 Pro, which is in blue ocean color. And there's a little bit of surprise in the end of the video. So please watch the full video. And I'm your friend Manish and watching Technical Charging, so let's get started with the video. So this is the Realme 2 Pro box. And over here is written about the description of this box. The camera is of rear 16 megapixel plus 2 megapixel and the screen size of it is 6.3 inches. And there's content of this box is one phone charger, one USB data cable, one SIM injector tool, one safety guide, one quick guide and one protective case. And here are all other description about this box. On the side you can see the Realme 2 Pro branding, and behind the box we have the color, which is blue ocean. And if I talk about the network, it is the different bands, and over here it's written made in India, so which is a great thing. And this is the 4GB variant and 64GB variant. The rated volts, which is 5 volts and 2 ampere. And on beneath and on above there's nothing. There's again the Realme 2 Pro branding. So let's get started with the unboxing of this box. So on the sides you have to cut it like very delicately, like you almost peel off the surface over here. So let's open up the box. Very delicately I'm going to open up the box. So as soon as you open up the box, you can oversee the Realme 2 Pro branding. Over here it says that share real with us, and it's the Facebook, Twitter, the Instagram and the YouTube, and that's it. Let's keep it aside. So here's the device which I was talking about. And if I talk about the device, let's remove the protective cover first. So this is the brand new device, which is in blue color. You can clearly see the face of this. So let's keep this device in the boot-in mode side, and let's focus more on the components of the box. So first let's get started with the protective cover which we got it. So here are some of the usual guides manual as usual. Nobody reads them, but still they are providing it. And here's the normal TPU cover which we are getting with this device. So let's keep this aside as well. What else in the box? So over here you can see the normal SIM injector tool, which is very handy tool if you're going to use it to insert your SIM. And what else is in the box? So there's a charger. Over here it's written Oppo, and over here it says that 5 volt and 2 ampere charger. So that's the charger of the box. And let's see about the USB cable. So we're getting a normal USB charger with this device, not a Type-C charger, so that's okay. And if I talk about the device quickly, let me just remove this strip from here. So this device, you can see over here you have the dual camera setup, and here you have a fingerprint sensor. Over here is the Realme branding. And if I talk more on the side is the volume rocker button. Here's the one slot for the mic, and beneath it you have a slot for the speaker, your charging point, your USB jack and the secondary mic. And on the side you can able to see the power on and off button, and another slot for mic over here. And here you have actually a slot for your SIM injector. So that's all. So this is asking me for the device setup. Just quickly let me just set up over here. Over here you can see the complete 19:9 display ratio, 6.3 inches over a teardrop setup, which is of the front camera. So just quickly just set up this device right now. So the device has been set up right now, and let's quickly go to settings to see about this phone. So over here you can see the usual software manual, and over here you can see about phone. So over here you can see the Color OS version 5.2. The Android version is of 8.1.0. The processor over here is correctly written is Snapdragon 660, RAM 4GB, and available storage right now is 46.9 GB. And just quickly let us go to camera settings to show you how the camera is looking up right now. So saying me right different, and quickly just let me go to the front camera so you can see clearly able to see the front camera of this device. So I'm clicking a picture right now, and if I talk about the back camera, quickly let me go to back camera and quickly take my picture of this device only. So over here you can see the clarity of this device is very much clear. Even if I talk about the front camera, even it looks like that I'm sleeping right now, but the front camera is clearly pretty much okay. And the various mode is available right now is of portrait, is of sticker, pano, expert, and let me quickly go to video. And if I talk more about a video, you can shoot over 1080p pixel videos, which is pretty much good. And if I go to video, that's it. So that's all from the unboxing of this device. This is all the which are the bloatwares you are getting with this device. So let's cancel it. Overall, you can see the Color OS feature quickly on this device.
So that's all the unboxing of this Realme 2 Pro, and I'm going to do the detailed review of this phone after a month, or the camera review. As you can only see in the vlog style, I will do the camera review of this device. Now if I talk about the surprise and or of the giveaway of this device, so I have another box of Realme 2 Pro which I'm going to give away to my users. So what you have to do to enter into this giveaway, you have to simply like this video, share this video, and you have to remain to subscribe to my channel, and you have to comment below that what do you like about the Realme 2 Pro devices. Might be in the later, might be near Diwali, I will do the giveaway of this device, and one lucky winner of you will get a chance to win this Realme 2 Pro devices. So till then, please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more.